Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this humongous magical fairy necklace. This thing is not for the faint-hearted, I am telling you. Now this video is actually in collaboration with my darling friend JBKonsCreations. If you don't know about JBKonsCreations, then you need to get to know, okay? She's a dear friend of mine and we both have the same mold and we both have glitters from Lrisy. So we were like, well, we should probably just collaborate on this and see what each other decides to make. Now in the description box below, you are going to find a discount code for the Lrisy glitter, and you can of course get some molds as well. I highly recommend this brand. The glitters are just unreal. I mean, come on, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm actually using epoxy resin for this. I haven't used epoxy resin in quite some time. As you know, I'm usually a UV girl, but I wanted to try and test myself, and I'm really pleased with the way that the little details in this came out. It did take some time and some perseverance, but I got there. If ever you needed a reason to grab yourself some Lrisy glitter, let this be it. Just soak up the hollow on this. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. It's unreal. It's out of this world. I'm just addicted to this glitter. Oh my gosh. So anyway, once I'd finished oogling at it, I then used some UV resin to attach a bail onto the back. And then I was just feeling my fairy fantasy, okay? I made myself a ring using the remainder of the resin, and I was just ready to just go and just spread some magic somewhere. I was loving it. Now, if you loved this video, then make sure that you definitely go ahead and check out JBKonsCreations creation. And yeah, let us both know what you think of our collaboration. If you did love this one, then make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.